What is the one word for a mark left by the healing of injured tissue? The correct answer is scar. What is the one word for of or relating to or belonging to a country? The correct answer is national. What is the one word for a surface generated by rotating a line around a fixed line? The correct answer is cylinder. What is the one word for the principal Christian church building of a diocese? The correct answer is cathedral. What is the one word for not containing anyone or anything, unfilled or unoccupied? The correct answer is vacant. What is the one word for observe, check out, and look over carefully or inspect? The correct answer is examine. What is the one word for transmit or serve as the medium for transmission? The correct answer is convey. What is the one word for a ludicrous or grotesque act done for fun and amusement? The correct answer is prank. What is the one word for a traveling show featuring rides and games? The correct answer is carnival. What is the one word for someone who lives at a particular place for a long period? The correct answer is resident. What is the one word for an indirect suggestion? The correct answer is hint. What is the one word for bringing death? The correct answer is fatal. What is the one word for of first rank or importance or value? The correct answer is primary. What is the one word for a joint that holds two parts together so that one can swing? The correct answer is hinge. What is the one word for extremely cold? The correct answer is Arctic. What is the one word for propel with force? The correct answer is launch. What is the one word for a child's room for a baby? The correct answer is nursery. What is the one word for a state of ill-being due to affliction or misfortune? The correct answer is misery. What is the one word for become invisible or unnoticeable? The correct answer is vanish. What is the one word for low-lying wetland with grassy vegetation? The correct answer is marsh.